Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building seed terms from your product catalog and customer language. Open your store, pick 15 to 30 core product names, categories, and use case phrases. This gives you starting fuel for expansion. Once done, map each seed to user intent, transactional versus informational, because that guides which pages to target. Make sure to capture variants like plurals, short tails, and long tails. This fast, focused list prevents wasting time on irrelevant tools and gets you immediately ready to expand. Now expand each seed using multiple sources: keyword tools, auto-suggest, competitor pages, and search console queries to surface high-potential variations. As you collect ideas, filter by search volume, keyword difficulty, CPC, and most importantly, buyer intent. This is how you separate research terms from purchase-ready terms. Once you have lists, cluster keywords into thematic landing page groups so one page can rank for many related queries. Make sure to save metrics and examples. Finally, prioritize quick wins and strategic pages. Pick low difficulty, reasonable volume, high-intent keywords first and map them to product or category pages. Implement on-page SEO. Optimize title tags, H1s, product descriptions, internal links, and schema for price and availability. Once live, monitor rankings, CTR, and conversions in weekly intervals. Make incremental changes and a /B test meta and content. If things go wrong, traffic drops or no ranking, check indexing, canonical tags, and search console errors first, then iterate based on data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.